Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Dragon's Daughter, my let's play of The Secret of Monkey Island. Last time we got breath mints and we talked to a sheriff and we're gonna go get some money. I'm done talking to him anyway, so hey man, you asked. Alright, so let's go. We'll talk to him later. He won't give us something yet because we need to get something else for him. So, we are going to finally get some money. Let's close this door first. Mama! Do you want to go outside? She looks like she's stalking somebody. Or something. Okay, so, oh, check it out. There's a secret. So, let's open this door here. And watch this. Oh. Wait a minute. That's not right. Oh, how dumb. One of these is like a teleporting thing. There we go. Oh, it's that door. Isn't that cool? Alright, anyway. We're gonna get some monies. And I know where to get some monies. Anywho. Yeah, not much to talk about. It's kind of boring being by yourself. Don't wanna be all by myself. Alright, we gotta go here, because that's where the circus is. Gotta go to the circus. The circus! That's where you can get some monies. Walk to circus tent. You know what? There's gonna be a lot of talking, so while that's happening, I'm gonna go let the cat out and get some food. Go ahead and enjoy yourselves there. You wanna go outside? Go get whatever is. Oh, Piplet. Actually, I don't have to go far to get food. I have food right here. Good old PB&J. Oh, okay. Whoa, that was fast. Look at the packs on them. And they're whipping out about going in a cannon? What in the world is poking me? Alfredo and Bill. Bill has an unimaginative name. No offense to all those Bills out there. But if you have a brother named Fettuccine or Fester or whatever his name is, and then the other brother is Bill, it's like, ah. Oh. How much will you pay me? 478 pieces of 8. Sounds good. You can get a sword and a shovel. Oh, so remember that pot earlier? You need to get that pot because if you don't, they won't let you in because you have to use it like a helmet. So use pot, or no, wait, give pot to the brothers. There we go. Yay! Oh. Ah, my sandwich exploded. Echo! Echo! Boop. You went the wrong way. Oh, my helmet flew off. Did you see that? Wow. I'm Bobbin. Are you my mother? I like it's upside down. But We're just gonna do this. Where's my helmet? My sandwich totally exploded. I hate when that happens. Oh. Yay! See? We got money. Oh sure, now you want to try it. That's okay, it looks like I'm made of rubber, so that didn't hurt. Nom nom nom. Mmm. Sandwich is good. Okay, back to the village. We're gonna go there next. Oh great, got an obnoxious squirrel outside my door. I think my cat's bugging it. We have a squirrel. If the cat's outside, he starts barking at her. You're making his little... Oh, we can buy a map from him too. Might as well. Let's talk to him. And get a map. Yeah, get over with, so we'll... I'll take it. It'll make a swell gift. Yeah. Alright, fine. Alright. Enough sandwich. Enough sandwich. Let's get our sword and shovel. Oh, hey there, fancy pants. There's this thing up here too, but I don't think we can open it. Pick up sword. Drink some water. Alright, that's good. Dude, chill out. What do you want? I want the sword. What about it? I want it. Just give it to me. Great. Best 100 pieces of 8 you ever spent. What else do you want? A shovel. We need a shovel for the treasure hunting. I want it. Great. It'll pay for itself, believe me. You'll dig up 75 pieces of 8 in no time. But hey, save some treasure for the rest of us, will ya? Ha, ah, ah, ah. Ugh. Oh, we'll talk about this. We'll go back to him because I think he only knows where she is. Everyone else doesn't. Okay, so now we gotta go train ourselves. That squirrel is pissing me off. It's getting annoying. Stupid squirrel. Right. I call him Jitter. What the hell was that? Anyway, let's hopefully... We should be able to get to the house of the sword teacher really quick. I might have to stop there. Yeah. I thought you'd be able to double click and you'll get to a destination faster, but I guess that's another game. Doop 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 doop. Alright, so that dude's at this house, so let's go to the house. Oh. Oh wow, I totally forgot about this guy. None shall pass. Stop. You must pay a toll. Well, what's the toll? Well, what have you got? Never mind. You can pay him money, but I'm not going to. There's actually an easier way. Be gone! You actually give this fish to him. Ah, red herring. Pass. Doot. What? Gross. A fish. He has the force. Did you see that? He went. Zoop. That's gross, though. He ate a raw fish. Oh shoot. We are totally over time. Anyway, so this is Dragon's Daughter. Thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe, and whatnot. And I will see you next time. Take care.